Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your device. Enable the installer permission for unknown apps and back up your existing Vanced data so you can restore settings if needed. Next, install Vanced Manager, the app that handles Micro G and Vanced modules, because it automates signing and patching. Once done, open Vanced Manager, grant storage permission, then choose the YouTube build you want. Make sure to select Matching Architecture and Android version, so the install proceeds without signature conflicts or crashes. Proceed by installing Micro G if you rely on Google account sign-in. This step is essential because Micro G replicates the required services. Then in Vanced Manager, pick the YouTube module. Choose dark or black theme, enable background playback if desired, and confirm APK flavor. The manager will download and sideload the package, accept any permission prompts. If an existing Vanced is present, choose Update. The manager will handle uninstalling outdated splits and applying the new build while preserving user data where possible. Finish by rebooting the device to clear any lingering processes and ensure the new app is registered correctly. Open Vanced, verify playback, add block settings, and account sign-in. If you encounter login problems, reinstall or update Micro G, then clear its data and retry. That usually resolves token issues. If the app crashes, uninstall then reinstall the same build or restore your backup. Finally, make sure auto updates are off in Play Store to avoid conflicts with patched APKs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.